What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. This is another awesome day for the Volkswagen project. Right now I got the paint booth set up behind me in the garage and I am priming everything else for this car today so that way I can get it painted next week. I did my first batch of parts earlier. I did the two fenders, glove box, gas door, license plate, taillight holders, all the small things. Those are all primed up. And as we walk in the paint booth now, I got the two other fenders to reprime. The last can of primer I had, I was down to the bottom and it was getting a little chunky. And there was some chunks of primer in there. So I sanded both these down and the deck lid and I'm repriming those. These are the fenders that had all 4 coats of paint on them, so it's not a bad idea to sand them down and then reprime them because you're gonna knock down any of the edges from all the paint layers that are on there. So those are back in here. The trunk lid had some pinholes that I put some more body filler on, as you can see, and now that is going to get reprimed. And then hanging on my nice makeshift stand right here, I got both the doors that have not been primed yet. Hopefully I can put enough primer on that I don't need to reprime these, but as you can see with all the layers, you know, the paint edges do get a little high. Same thing with this door over here. So today is priming. I'm going to get all of this stuff primed. I'm going to have everything ready for the beginning of the week next week. And then since the paint booth is set up in here, I'm going to be able to get everything painted and hopefully start putting this thing really back together at that point.